Welcome to Pell's Fundamentals, your source for breaking news on this channel. You can find more videos like this. Thursday evening, an unusual event called a doorstep occurred at the Danish parliament.
A doorstep, you say?
Yeah,
Interesting.
doorsteps are rare and signal urgency. And this one happened after a meeting about Greenland and the USA.
Got it. Who was there?
Present at the doorstep were Prime Minister Mette Frederiksen,
Okay.
Foreign Minister Lars Løkke Rasmussen, Inger Støjberg, leader of the Denmark Democrats, Pelle Dragsted, political spokesperson for the Red-Green Alliance, and Pia Olsen Dyhr, leader of the Socialist People's Party.
Wow. A lot of important figures.
Yes.
Nice.
Also present were Aki-Matilda Hudam,
Okay.
Greenlandic member of parliament, and Joachim B. Olsen, a political commentator for the newspaper BT. Okay, so what did we learn from this doorstep? What did these figures have to say?
The Danish government stated they'd attempted to open a dialogue with Donald Trump.
Okay, and how did that go?
They expect that conversation to happen after Trump's official inauguration on January 20th.
Okay.
They also stated they have no reason to believe Trump would actually use force to acquire Greenland.
Interesting. That seems to contradict some of the rhetoric we've heard. Did they address that at all?
Yes, they addressed the accusations of racism made by Donald Trump Jr.,
Okay.
saying they didn't believe those would harm the relationship between Denmark and the USA.
Okay.
The government also emphasized the importance of unity between Denmark, Greenland, and the Faroe Islands, the three countries that make up the Kingdom of Denmark.
So a message of solidarity in response to this situation. Did anyone else have any reactions?
Yes, Inger Støjberg stated that she found the government paralyzed and lacking a clear plan.
Strong words. Anyone else?
Pelle Dragsted expressed concern that the government was clinging to the idea of the USA as it once was, not acknowledging the changes that have taken place.
Okay, so differing opinions on the government's handling of the situation.
Yes, Pia Olsen Dyhr agreed with the government's approach, emphasizing the need to avoid escalating the conflict.
All right, so we have a range of perspectives on how to handle this delicate situation. What about Aki-Matilda Hudam, being from Greenland? I imagine she has some thoughts on this.
Yes, she praised the government for their respectful tone regarding Greenland's autonomy.
That makes sense, given the sensitivity surrounding Greenland's self-governance and its relationship with Denmark. Okay, last but not least, what did Joachim B. Olsen have to say?
Joachim B. Olsen called the situation a full-blown crisis. He argued that Denmark has had ample time to prepare since Trump first mentioned his interest in Greenland back in 2019, but has failed to do so.
So he's placing the blame squarely on Denmark for being caught off guard.
Yes, he was very critical of what he perceived as a lack of self-reflection on the part of the government.
All right, that gives us a pretty clear picture of the reactions to this doorstep. This has been Pell's Fundamentals, your source for breaking news.